How does one reconnect and relearn the skill of animal communication? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavre. I'm a nature and animal telepathic communicator and the author of the book Animal Communication, which is now available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Notion Press websites. If you're interested in buying the book, please click on the links given in the description box. One of the commonly asked questions to me by a lot of people is, how do you learn to communicate with animals? How do you reconnect with this skill? Is it really something that's a learnable skill? My answer to this question is that this is a skill that we all have. It's innately in us and we don't need to learn it. We just need to reconnect to it so that we are able to speak in a language which is our mother tongue, because we get it from Mother Nature. So here are a few ways you can do to self-start this journey of animal communication. And then of course, if you are drawn upon, you can join courses or other communicators who can teach you and find a mentor to help you with this journey. Number one is read up on the basics of animal communication. There are a lot of resources available. You can buy my book, or you can find out a lot of other free resources on the internet that explain to you what animal communication is, so that you understand the basics of the language of telepathy. This is not something that will actually come into play when you start communicating, but this is only for you to consciously understand what is telepathy, so that your conscious mind also starts accepting it as something which is valid and not something which is made up. The second thing you can do is, of course, watch videos of people you connect to. There are thousands of videos available on YouTube, and I'm sure you'll find someone whom you connect to. Make sure that you watch someone that you connect to. This doesn't make the others bad or wrong, but when you learn a skill which is which is such a personal skill, you will need to find someone whose energy you're drawn to and you enjoy being with, because that's when you will not have any inhibitions and any blocks, and even if you do, you will be able to reach out to this person to help you, right? So watch these videos and experiment with different people and their ways of communicating. Like I said, animal communication is an extremely personal journey. So the way I do it and the way someone else may do it, it could be completely different, and that doesn't make anything right or wrong. It's not about being right or wrong. There is no competition at all. It's only about what suits you. So find videos of people whom you align to and see which method suits you the best to start you off on your communication journey. Maybe meditation is the way you would like to go, or maybe just having casual conversations without needing to meditate every time you communicate is your way to go. Find out your comfort zone and then start communicating from that. And the third thing is, of course, start talking to all of nature around you. You may have animals and plants at home, you may have a beautiful garden, you may live near the sea or the mountains. So you may have insects coming over to your house, you may have birds. Whichever element of nature you see, start having a heart to heart conversation. When I say heart to heart, it need not connect your organ heart to their heart, but something that you can feel, rather than you just do it from your head and your brain, where you keep thinking about being right. So just ask them, how are you, and feel what they're saying, hear what they're saying, see what they're saying. It completely depends on your personal practice how you receive the answer to that question. So these are a few ways: reading, watching videos, and of course actually talking to animals and elements of nature are a few ways you can kickstart your own animal communication journey. And then of course, if it's something that you feel you absolutely want to do and you need a mentor, please look for people whom again you connect to, you find that you can match up to their energy and do your course, and also find a mentor who can guide you with your blocks and your journey as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you found it helpful to start your own animal communication journey, and I wish you all the best with it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and found it helpful.